High voltage political showdown. India bloc MPs from the Joint Parliamentary Committee on Waqf have written to Speaker seeking the extension of JPC's tenure, which currently has a deadline of 29 November to present its report. It's learned that the committee is expected to push for an extension. This follows a stormy session of the meeting yesterday, which saw the opposition members staging a brief walkout.
मुझे लगता है इसको ऐसा नहीं कि वॉकआउट करें या हंगामा करें। जब जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी सरकार के किरण रिजिजू जी ने खुद रेफर किया, खुद आग्रह किया स्पीकर से कि इसको आप जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी को रेफर कर दें जिससे थ्रेड एंड वेयर और डिस्कशन हो सके, कि अभी और इसको डिटेल डिस्कशंस के लिए अभी मंत्रालयों को कुछ बुलाना, कुछ राज्यों को बुलाना है। तो मेरी राय ये बनी है कि अब हम इस जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी के टेन्योर के एक्सटेंशन के लिए मैं हाउस में एक रेजोल्यूशन मूव करूंगा।
Fundamental things is this: witnesses have to be brought. Only the interested persons, maximum interested persons, who the association who are close to BJP, were brought. That is, by that way, days have been wasted. Where different states, most importantly, there are Waqf properties are there. These states have not been called. Even at Delhi, it has not been called. Yesterday, you have seen at Sambal, for a Waqf property, 7 persons have been died. They are not taking it at all seriously.
स्पीकर साहब हमको एक चीज कहते हैं, चेयरमैन साहब दूसरा चीज कहते हैं। मतलब सरकार और चेयरमैन पार्लियामेंट के जो अध्यक्ष है उनके बीच में भी संतुलन नहीं है। मुझे लगता है कि स्पीकर से भी कोई बड़ा, केंद्र सरकार को कोई बड़ा मंत्री है जो चेयरमैन को निर्देश दे रहा है। दूसरी बात है, ये पूरी प्रक्रिया खत्म ही नहीं हुई, अभी भी बहुत से लोगों से हमको जानकारी लेनी है। हमारा एक दौरा था, जो दौरा संपूर्ण नहीं हुआ, उसमें बीच में ही खत्म हो गया। चेयरमैन से जिस प्रकार से हमको सुनने में आया है कि रिपोर्ट तैयार है, तो मतलब ये तो बायस रिपोर्ट, ये तो अधूरा रिपोर्ट हुआ। ऐसे ऐसे लोगों को बुलाया गया है जो वक्फ प्रॉपर्टी का वो इंक्रोच, वो लीज पे रह रहे, रेंट पे ले रहे, जिनके वक्फ के कानून के साथ कोई तवज्जो नहीं है।
The Joint Parliamentary Committee on the Waqf Amendment Bill is going to seek an extension after there was clash between the chairperson and the opposition. Now, yesterday, where the JPC had called for the meeting, the opposition protested and said that the proceedings have become a mockery, and they walked out of the meeting, and they returned to the meeting after an hour. Now, the JPC chairperson Jagdambika Paul has said that he would be seeking an extension till the last day of the budget session next year. Now, Jagdambika Paul will be moving a motion today inside the parliament to seek the approval of the House for the extension. Now, it could be seen that it is a win for the opposition side, which has been demanding for an extension as far as the Waqf Amendment Bill is concerned. Now we are seeing that the war of words continuously is being taken between the centre and the opposition as far as the Waqf Bill is concerned. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing the BJP party workers after the win in Maharashtra, said that back in 2013, the Congress government back then had made several amendments in the Waqf Bill for its appeasement politics, and after the BJP had come into power in 2014, several of the land has been handed over to the Waqf board as part of the Congress's appeasement politics. So clearly the war of words is going to intensify, and it could be seen as a win of the opposition, which had been demanding for an extension on the Waqf Amendment Bill.
The